All right, the next one is going to be MMEG, currently trading at 0015. We've went over this one quite a bit too here in the past. Wow, a lot more than I realized. Yes, 20. Okay, so on hold pullback outside upper Bollinger Band. There was a major pullback after I did that or said that on that date over here on the 4th. I said if 0014 can't hold, then you'll go to 0007. Sometimes I don't like being too accurate with these low calls, but unfortunately, you guys got down to that 0007 area, as I said. Let me shoot a little bit forward here to get this more up to date where we're at right now. On the 18th is going to be the last time me and Joe took a look at it. Let's see right here. I said needs to break the 0015. And then the triple, okay, so the 0017 needs a break. 30-day simple moving average, then at 0021, you would make your way up to here. I said on watch / alert, but guess what? You could not do that. And so now that goes ahead and retracts. Now things are starting to change. Again, big time things are changing here for MMEG. I got a weird feeling about this one. Weird feeling because the volume is now starting to steadily creep up. The Bollinger Bands came down and really got the tightest that they've been since the initial breakout that we've seen back here. Actually, they're almost even tighter now looking at that. I'm going to be watching this one. Watch for this buying pressure to continue. If you guys break this 30-day, this thing is going to go monstrous, in my opinion. Not trying to, hype it up or anything like that, but I'm telling you, when I see this happen, it might not happen today or tomorrow, but this thing might be winding up right now for a massive breakout. And I've seen this over and over. 0015, watch. I'm gonna put this one on a watch / alert at that 0015 for again 0018.0018 to break. If it does, this will run. Setting up. I'm going to put on here, setting up for a big move. Joe, go ahead and take over.
All right, so Momentous Entertainment Group, what they are is, let me go to the thing. Momentous Entertainment Group is a diversified media company with a focus on technology that creates, produces, and distributes quality content across various media platforms. Momentous has a combined management experience of more than 100 years in entertainment, technology, and marketing. Please note that the company may use social media to communicate with the public. So they do disseminate information within like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And you should actually consider disseminating information on Investors Hangout because we do have a large investor base. So, anyways, their latest press release was on January 18th, and that was where Momentous Entertainment Group closed a sponsorship deal for Earnhardt reality show. So it's Bobby Earnhardt, he is the grandson, I believe. Bobby Earnhardt press conference. So I was just trying to pick pieces together to go back on it, but it's not easy to do that and I should have read it first. I read it like a couple weeks back. So the Mako Group has executed a race team sponsorship agreement with Bobby Earnhardt's newly formed racing team, and they got the recent news there. And the sponsorship is a package marketing opportunities that includes sponsorship of Bobby Dale Earnhardt Chasing a Legacy reality television project. So that's basically what it is. It's going to be a reality show called Chasing a Legacy, and it's going to obviously have Bobby Dale Earnhardt as the lead, and they're pretty much how reality shows go.
Oh, yeah.
But this one right here is basically it's going to be in regards to him, going into the NASCAR industry and everything else. I don't know. It's a documentary-based reality series focused on the life of Bobby Earnhardt, the first grandchild of legendary Dale Earnhardt, as he fights to make a name for himself in the world of NASCAR racing. So the way I look at it right here with MMEG, if you think, a show that has, Dale Earnhardt's grandson,
Right.
on it would, possibly be successful within NASCAR, then I mean that pretty much gives you an idea of the potential within this particular company. And me personally, I mean I don't watch NASCAR. I do like I'll watch the last few laps of them, I guess you could say. I just never got into it.
Right?
But I know that the NASCAR base, nothing. I'm not knocking NASCAR at all because I mean that is huge. NASCAR is big. Like I've been there, like to Daytona a few times and went in the track and everything. But I mean, this I could see a lot of people watching this show.
Oh
I see
yeah.
the potential in it.
Oh yeah.
I mean, plus it's Dale. Think about it. It's Dale Earnhardt's grandson, and it's a reality show in regards to him.
Mm-hmm.
Working his way into NASCAR. I mean that's got potential.
Right. So, MMEG guys, like I said, 0015 watch/alert for a 0018 break. If it does, it will run, setting up for a big move, in my opinion. 0012 looks to be big support, which is going to be that 10-day, especially more the 20-day simple moving averages that it's sitting on right now. Again, guys, I encourage you, share this video once you see it uploaded later. MMEG, share with all the MMEG investors that you know. Get the word out there. Spread the video. Again, investorshangout.com/live to check out our live stream, and make sure you head over to investorshangout.com and get your free account. A lot of information. You're going to be able to pull up everything from the time and sales. Let me go ahead and do that real quick for you here. The time and sales, company profile, recent news, filings, financials, all this information is completely free on Investors Hangout. Most sites charge you for this stuff. Unlimited posts, unlimited messages. Again, that's all free on investorshangout.com. Again, that is MMEG.